Hey everyone, and welcome. Today we're diving into two words we use all the time, especially in learning: lesson and chapter. Now on the surface, they seem pretty much interchangeable, right? But they're not. And trust me, understanding the difference isn't just about splitting hairs. It's actually the secret to learning way more effectively and teaching with a lot more impact. So let's get into it.
So, what's the big deal? Is one just a small piece of the other? Or is there something more fundamental going on here? Let's find out.
Okay, let's start with the good old chapter. I want you to think of a chapter like a library. A big, well-organized building filled with information, just kind of sitting there, waiting for you to come and explore it.
By definition, a chapter is basically a container. Its main job isn't to actively teach you something. Its job is to hold and organize a whole bunch of information about a single big topic. It's the bookshelf, not the librarian who's going to guide you through it.
And this really gets to the personality of a chapter. It's comprehensive, for sure, but it's also static. It's information at rest. I love that phrase. It basically means you, the reader, have to do all the heavy lifting. You've got to go in, explore, find the connections yourself, and decide what's actually important.
Now let's completely flip the script. If the chapter is the library, then the lesson is the guided tour. A totally different experience.
And the definition really says it all. A lesson is about being taught. It's a structured, active thing designed to get you to a specific goal, whether that's finally understanding a tough subject or mastering a new skill.
And the contrast here is just so clear, isn't it? A chapter is broad. A lesson is laser-focused. A chapter is static. A lesson is a dynamic journey. It's not just a pile of information. It's a path that's been laid out to lead you directly to that aha moment of understanding.
All right, we've defined our terms. Now let's put them side by side. This is where it's all going to click into place. Okay, let's break this down. Look at purpose. A chapter is just there to contain and organize info. A lesson's purpose is to teach and guide. What about scope? Chapters are broad, covering a ton of ground. Lessons are narrow and super specific. But here's the crucial part for me, the format. A chapter is a noun, it's a thing, a static resource. A lesson is a verb, it's an action, an experience you have. That simple shift completely changes your role, from a passive reader just exploring into an active participant in your own learning.
Now, of course, this doesn't mean chapters are bad. Not at all. They're absolutely essential. The magic happens when they work together. Think about a big history chapter on a major war. You don't just read the whole thing passively. Instead, you'd have a lesson on what caused the war, then another lesson on the key events, and finally, a lesson on the consequences. See? Those active lessons are what bring all that static information in the chapter to life.
Okay, so this is a neat distinction, but what's the practical takeaway? Let's talk about why this actually matters in the real world, whether you're the one teaching or the one trying to learn.
For any educators out there, this is a real game changer. Your job isn't to create content dumps, it's to design learning experiences. You need to frame your chapters with clear, objective-driven lessons that actually guide your students toward real understanding.
And for all of us who are students, this is a seriously powerful study hack. Stop just passively reading and highlighting everything. Get active. Turn sections of a chapter into mini lessons for yourself. Before you start a section, set a goal. What's the one thing I need to understand from these few pages? That focus changes everything.
Ultimately, it really just comes down to this simple idea. A chapter is a resource. A lesson is an activity. One is passive information, the other is active learning.
And this whole distinction leaves us with a really interesting question for the future. In an age of AI tutors and personalized learning tools that can create dynamic lessons on the fly, is the traditional static chapter becoming obsolete? It's definitely something to think about.